Hi all, so this is the video submission for our PN4034 project for this semester. So we decided that we would do 2 rollers that will transfer the tray onto a conveyor belt, and depending on the colour, which is judged by the LDR, the tray will be pushed either off the belt or onto the next belt. So first we'll just look at the motors. So we're just using basic motors here with gears connecting them to the roller. Here we can see there's 2 gears meshing, the motor is underneath and it's turning the first roller. The second roller will be on a bearing and be freewheeling. So this is the back motor, so it's a similar setup. The motor's at the bottom with smaller gear meshing to a bigger gear, which is turning the roller, which should turn the belt. The second roller will also be mounted with a bearing so that it can freewheel as the belt turns. So here we have a plan view of the yellow tray moving along the belt. So it's moving along the first belt across the rollers. The LDR sees that it's yellow and it's going to push it straight onto the next belt, and there it goes all the way down until it falls off the end. Here we have a 3D view of the same tray going along the belts. So here we go again over the rollers. LDR senses it's yellow, so it's going to push it onto the next belt. The LDR is under the first roller, just so it can sense the colour straight away. Here we go. Now we have the black tray. So the black tray is the one we don't want. It's the one we want to eject. So we'll see what happens here. LDR looks at it and there we go. Belt changes direction and pushes the tray off. So here's just a few exploded views. Here we have just the side piece. Then we have the belt assembly. And then finally we have just the rollers and its frame. So we have a basic enough design, but with 2 different mechanisms, the rollers and the belt, to all working together to transfer the tray, if it's yellow, on from one belt to the next, and if it's black, from the first belt onto the rollers, onto the belt, my belt, and eject it away from the other belt. Thanks, that's all.